how to connect GameSir G7 Pro to Cronus Zen. So after the latest firmware update, GameSir G7 HE or SE controllers no longer work when directly connected to the Cronus Zen. And in this video, we'll show you how you can actually fix the GameSir G7 HE or SE compatibility issues with Cronus Zen device. So first, set the polling rate to 250 Hz or 500 Hz. Update the firmware using the Nexus app and open the Zen Studio and then Device tab. Now, if you're using Xbox and PC setup, launch the Nexus app and connect as a controller. Hold the Xbox plus share until you hear the Windows disconnect sound or see a screen flash. Plug the top USB into the Zen, then connect the right side prog port. Connect the controller to the Zen and wait for it to power up. Hold Xbox plus share again until the Xbox logo and controller icon appear. Input mode equals mirror mode. Open the device monitor in Zen Studio to confirm everything is working. Now, if you're using PS5 setup, perform the setup of PS5 controller. Connect the DualSense or DualSense Edge controller to your PC. Hold PS plus menu until you hear the Windows disconnect sound. Plug into the A3 port on the Zen and hold PS and menu again for 2 to 3 seconds until connected. And that is how you can basically connect GameSir G7 Pro to Cronus Zen.